Welcome aviators to another Delta Bravo Tango aviation video. Today I bring you all a very special look at the operations at the GTAA Toronto Central De-icing Facility in Toronto Pearson International Airport. This de-icing location is the world's largest and most technically complex de-icing facility with around 180 staff and 46 de-icing units. This 24/7 operation keeps traffic moving throughout the tough Canadian winter. De-icing crews can communicate easily with air traffic control, allowing fluid coordination of ground movement and excellent service to aircraft in a fast and effective fashion. Since ice buildup on the leading edges, wings, and tail section of aircraft can disrupt airflow, de-icing is necessary to keep these vital components clear and ready to function in flight. Here we can see a variety of aircraft getting a spray before departure on a frigid October morning. And for those of you who are experts, comment down below what type of de-icing fluid is being used in this video. And now, on to the video. I hope you enjoyed this footage showcasing the complex operations at Toronto Pearson Central De-icing Facility.
Jazz 7924, de-ice 13117.
Over to 13137, Jazz 7924.
Treatment frequency 13117.
13117, Jazz 792.
Tango Day April 7046, check with you on the apron for Alpha Mike. April 7486 ground. For de-icing, exit Alpha Mike, taxi Victor, cross runway 33 right, and right on Echo. For the de-ice, Alpha Mike, Victor, cross 32 right, and then right turn Echo, Maple 7486.
Hello, Jazz 619 to the Alpha, listen to the Alpha.
Jazz 619 ground, spread ahead Tango, cross runway 33 right, hold short Echo for the ice.
Tango, cross 33 right, short of Echo for the ice, Jazz 619.
Jazz 619, new squawk 6330.
6330, Jazz 619.
Jazz 619, contact the ice 13117.
13117, Jazz 619, next.
Alpha Mike for the
1095, General, for the ice, taxi Victor, cross runway 33 right, and then right on Echo.
Victor, cross 33 right, and then right on Echo again is 952.
Straight, squawk code please 0547 again, 952.
Ground Maple 7701, information uniform, taxi.
7701 ground, for the ice, taxi Delta, cross runway 33 right, Echo, hold short Victor.
Delta 33 Echo and hold short Victor, Maple 7701.
Jazz 321, tower 118, good day.
187, Jazz 321, good day.
Good day, on 43346, short Alpha Juliet for the ice.
One call 3346 ground, for the ice, taxi via Bravo, and I don't know that, just go straight across runway 33 right and left on Echo.
33 right, left Echo, we'll go 33.
For 3346, hold an ice 1, you'll see opposite direction traffic going into the pads further down. Contact the ice, 13117.
We'll hold an ice 1, 3117, on course 3346,
Toronto clearance, good morning, WestJet 2600. We have uniform clearance to Kingston.
WestJet 2600, PDC not working?
No, PDC didn't go through for us for WestJet 2600.
WestJet 2600, cleared to Kingston, beats 2 departure, air-aft transition as filed. Runway 23, squawk 2231.
WestJet 2600, sir. Cleared to Kingston, that's 2 air transition, that is filed off at 23, 2231, positive yes.
Keep this very